Keng Eng Kee is we call zi cha. Zi cha actually evolved around wok. You're using the culinary skill and knowledge of the chef. It cooks out something comfort, hearty meal for customers. I am Paul Liew from Keng Eng Kee Seafood, Singapore. For chili crab is a signature dish of Singapore. Mainly we use mud crabs. So these are all very meaty mud crabs that we get. So how we do it is we use the sambal rempah with langgar, with ginger and chili, and we add on tomato sauce. Beside on the flavors, one of the most important elements will be the egg gravy. The last step of it is have a drench of raw eggs on top, and on the fire we toss it twice, let the eggs be semi-cooked, flow around the egg gravy. And it's best dine with fried buns or steamed bun. Get a scoop of the gravy, munch it, you get this smooth, creamy, eggy kind of texture and flavors. Chili crab. It's a very hands-on food. You need to eat it with raw hands. I think that is where the real meal starts. You get to talk to your friends, your families, and that's the real experience that street food or zi cha meal should be. A get-together meal over chats and laughter and joy.